In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Gmail. If you're like many people who need to organize information neatly in an email, using a table is an effective way to present your data cleanly and efficiently. Although Gmail doesn't have a direct option to create tables within its email composition tool, there is a simple workaround that you can use. Follow along as I guide you through the steps to accomplish this task using Google Docs. First, open a new tab in your web browser and log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to Google Docs by typing docs.google.com in the address bar and pressing Enter. This will lead you to the Google Docs homepage. Here, either open an existing document or create a new blank document by clicking on the plus sign. Next, it's time to insert a table. In your new or existing Google document, go to the menu bar at the top and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to hover over Table. This action will allow you to select the number of rows and columns you desire. A simple click will insert a table into your document. For our example, let's create a table with 3 columns and 4 rows. Once your table is inserted, you can begin filling in the data you want to include. Click into the cells to start typing. Adjust the content and format as needed. You can resize the cells by clicking and dragging the borders to fit your data properly. If you need to format the text, be it changing the font style, size, or color, highlight the text and use the toolbar options similar to how you would in any word processor. After formatting and filling your table to your satisfaction, it's time to move it into your Gmail. To do this, simply click and drag to highlight the entire table. Then, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac to copy the table. Now, head over to Gmail and start composing a new email. Place your cursor where you want the table to appear in the email body. With that done, paste the table by using Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. You'll notice the table maintains its structure from Google Docs and fits right into your email draft. Before hitting send, preview the email to make sure everything displays correctly on your screen. If any adjustments are needed, you can easily edit the text or move the table around just like any other content in Gmail. And that's it. You've now inserted a table into your Gmail email with ease, all thanks to Google Docs. This method allows you to create more structured and professional-looking emails that your recipients will appreciate. Until next time, keep exploring creative ways to enhance your email communication.